Hello friends, kumusta? Welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this air fried garlic butter steak. This is another air fryer recipe from Dash of Spices. To start off, what I have here is the sirloin tender steak, an Angus beef, and I'm just gonna place this on a plate. This is not your typical thick cut steak. This is just like a half an inch thick steak. Simply brush this with an oil, whatever oil you have handy. I'm using sunflower oil. Season this with garlic and Himalayan salt and black pepper powder. Make sure you season both sides. Then put this in the air fryer. Cook this on 400 degrees for 4 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to mix our garlic mixture. Start with minced garlic. This is about 2 tablespoons. Season with garlic and Himalayan salt, onion powder, Italian seasoning, ground sage, and some steak seasoning. Now I'm just eyeballing this, but you could adjust this to your liking. Simply mix this together until we'll combine and set it aside. We're also gonna need about 4 slices of butter. Back on our steak, what we're gonna do is put this seasoning on top of the steak. Just scoop that over and place it on top, just like what I'm doing right here. You don't have to flip this on the other side. Just put it on the top and place the butter on top of it. Now we're going to place this back in the unit. Cook this 400 degrees for 5 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make my salad. This is just a mixed salad with spinach and lettuce. Top it with tomatoes, onions, sunflower seeds, and toasted almonds. You can make your own salad. It's really up to you, but this is my go-to salad. It's easy to mix. And here's our steak. It's perfectly cooked and smells so delicious. Now, if you want a medium rare, I suggest maybe cooking it instead of 5 minutes, cook it about 3 minutes. Now, if you want it done, like super done, you could cook it for 400 degrees about maybe 8 minutes. That will be burnt. But this is how we like our steak. Medium, just a little bit of pink, but not too bloody. The steak turned out really good and it's juicy. Now just simply slice this into pieces, whatever you prefer, or serve it as is. I just slice this into bite size because I'm gonna put this on top of my salad. So I'm using my garden herb vinaigrette salad dressing. Whatever dressing you have, it's really up to you. This is just my go-to salad again. And I simply put the steak on top of the salad. And that's it. Dinner is ready. I'm sorry. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys for keep coming back and supporting our channel. We'll see you guys next time. Again, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao.